Today, we're talking about how we continuously disinfect our schools and classrooms each day. Continuously throughout the day, teachers and custodial staff will be disinfecting and wiping down high-touch surfaces, such as doorknobs, railings, and those buildings who have elevators. Restrooms will be cleaned, disinfected, and restocked 3 times every day. This is to ensure that our bathrooms stay sanitized. Classrooms will be supplied with disinfectant and paper towels so self-cleaning can occur consistently throughout the day. Another outstanding thing is electrostatic disinfectant will be provided twice per week. All touchable surfaces are treated. The reason why this is so important is because the mist allows you to wrap disinfectant around every surface to ensure that every surface is truly sanitized. Stafford County Public Schools Maintenance Department ensures that we have a stockpile of EPA-approved chemicals for cleaning and disinfectant in every facility. This ensures it's readily available for use. Hand sanitizer will be in every classroom, and touchless sanitizers will be in key locations throughout each school building, and students and staff and visitors will be strongly encouraged to sanitize continuously.
Hello, I am Rob Adams, Director of Operations and Maintenance. In addition to our professional custodial team and enhanced cleaning processes, Stafford County Public Schools Operations and Maintenance employs qualified HVAC technicians. Our team follows a preventative maintenance schedule built around design and manufacturer recommendations. This process helps ensure that the HVAC systems are working properly and improves the lifespan of the equipment. Enhancements to the preventative maintenance schedule have been incorporated, such as more frequent filter changes. Here at Central Maintenance, we have a building automation center established to monitor the HVAC systems. Our building automation manager and building automation technician have extended the operating times of our ventilation systems. This will assist with providing additional fresh air in occupied spaces. Stafford County Public Schools also contracted with a professional engineer to assist with additional enhancements. All of this will help improve the operations of our systems and improve indoor air quality.